So we are starting the first chapter, that is Introduction to Object Oriented Programming Concepts. It's a topic of Java for ICC class 9th. So first of all, we all know that a computer works on human instructions. It takes a command or instruction, works upon it and gives an output. The language which a computer can understand is binary language or binary code, that is zeros and ones. But to write a program or write instructions in zeros and ones is very difficult. That's why computer science engineers and mathematicians develop languages closely related to English for writing the instructions of the computer. These languages are known as a programming language. First of all, a human being types something in English language, then he types it as an algorithm, then it in a programming language, then it finally becomes a program, then it gets converted into binary code by the computer. This is the basic human computer interface. So first of all, what is programming language? A programming language is a language developed for writing programs for a computer in a well-defined way and with a set of rules which can be converted to binary codes and executed by the computer. A computer program is a set of instructions arranged in a step-by-step process based on some algorithm to perform a specific task. In other words, a computer program is simply a collection of orders of statements given to a computer to give instructions for doing a particular task. A computer program is written by a programmer in a programming language which is converted to machine language by a compiler or interpreter. This machine language is nothing but binary codes, that is zeros and ones, which is directly executed by the computer. Now what is an algorithm? An algorithm is a well-defined procedure or formula for solving a problem based on a sequence of specified actions. An algorithm is basically a conceptual design of a computer program which can be implemented by using any programming language. It can be C, C++, Java or PHP. Algorithm listing steps to prepare tea. Take water in a saucepan, put it on the gas stove, add tea leaves to the saucepan, add milk, let it boil for a while, add sugar and then strain it into cups. Now you can see on the screen there are different types of statements over here. So a program consists of a set of instructions and each instruction is defined in a statement. A statement is similar to a sentence in English language. A program statement instructs the computer to do something. This may be as simple as adding two numbers or as complex as connecting to a distant server of the internet. So I hope you have read the names of the statements which are given on the screen, as you can see. Now what are the programming paradigms? A programming paradigm is just a style or way of programming. There are two programming paradigms, OOP, that is object oriented programming, or POP, that is procedure oriented programming. Now which of these programming languages is Java? Think about it and we'll discuss about this in our next lecture. So this was just an introduction to our programming language. If you want to learn the whole chapter, then go in the comment section below and type the topic's name. It can be of any subject, of any chapter, but of ICC class 9th only. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and do let me know if you want to learn this computer chapter step by step. Bye bye.